at addressing corruption. Mamanahin yan ng future generations ng Pilipinos.
Susunod.
Susunod, anak mo, apo mo, lahat yan. And then, the new crop of politicians, ganun din. We walked into it. Parang si Reyes. I walked into it. Merong pabaon.
Angie Reyes.
Eh ngayon, sasabihin ng mga congressman na, ay masarap pala dito. Liquidation by certification. Kung 2 milyon buwan-buwan, pipirma lang ako. Honorable naman ako eh. Is that fair to the Filipino people? Is that what you want? Yung tanong. Ako hindi. Hindi, ginagago nyo kami. Eh, wala eh. Kaya nga, never ending cycle, sinasabi ko sa iyo, langaw, understood. Yung cycle ng langaw, una, itlog, magiging uod, maganon-ganon, lalaki, tataba, magiging, yung magot, magiging larvae.